This transformation from a plant to a finished product involves three types of economic activities. Stop. These are primary, secondary, and tertiary activities. Stop. Primary activities include all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Agriculture, fishing, and gathering are good examples. Stop. Secondary activities are concerned with the processing of these resources. Stop. Manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, and weaving of cloth are examples of this activity. Stop. Tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary sectors through services. Stop. Transport, trade, banking, insurance, and advertising are examples of tertiary activities. Stop. Agriculture is a primary activity. Stop. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. Stop. In the world, 50% of persons are engaged in agricultural activity. Stop. Two-thirds of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. Stop. Favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agricultural activity. Stop. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Stop. You can see that agriculture activity is concentrated in those regions of the world where suitable factors for the growing of crops exist. Stop. Agriculture of farming can be looked at as a system. Stop. The important inputs are seeds, fertilizers, machinery, and labor. Stop. Some of the operations involved are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. Stop. The outputs from the system include crops, wool, dairy, and poultry products. Stop. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world. Stop. Depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology, farming can be classified into two main types. Stop.